In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in the Photos app on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Photos app, then you can open up an album or hit right here at Library to show up all your photos. And then just select a picture that you want to crop, let it be that one. And now here, in order to crop it, just hit right here at Edit and then hit here at Crop icon. Now you can tap and hold on that handles to move it to left or to the right. Just drag it in any directions to crop a picture in the way that you want. Let it be that one. And now here also you are able to rotate that picture and flip it if you want. Also here you can tap on that icon to set some specific format for the image. You can hit it to freeform, square, wallpaper, 9:16, 4:5 and a bunch of other different sizes. Also here, after selecting new image format, you can again position the photo in that frame. After you finished with that, just hit here on Done to apply those changes. If for some reason you have decided to cancel the changes, all you have to do is hit right here at Edit and then right there tap on Revert and revert to original to undo all the changes. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.